say one of the most beautiful views in Australia.
Umara's warm up prior to our next hike.
We just finished some snorkeling and we were just gonna go on a bit of a hike through the rainforest, but I think we're starving, so we might go get some lunch first, check into our accommodation, and then we'll head back out in the afternoon.
Yeah, probably. That changes plans.
Alright, we just got to our accommodation in the Daintree. This is called the Rainforest Hideaway, which is a pretty unique little cabin, and you'll see why. So this is the main bedroom here, which is quite nice. You got a fan, which will be very useful because it's quite humid in here. And then you just step through the room here and you get to the outdoor kitchen, which is pretty good. You got a fridge, stove, and there's the outside. And the most unique part of this cabin is the bathroom, which is right here. And this is quite unique because it is a bathroom not with 4 walls, but 3 walls and a rainforest. Bit strange showering with no wall behind me, but who can complain with this view? Just got some jungle mini golf here, and we can see how much Adila is struggling to get the ball in there on hole 1.
Let's see if we can get it in, Umara.
Hey guys, just having some dinner now as we listen to the sounds of the rainforest, which is pretty amazing. There's a whole orchestra right here behind us of I don't know what, frogs, birds, or lizards, or I don't know what, but it's a pretty nice tune. Just heard some more footsteps, so we're going to see if there's another cassowary around here. Just some interesting facts about cassowaries while we're looking for one is they're completely solitary birds and just like to hang out on their own. And the other fascinating fact about a cassowary is that after the female lays her eggs, the male cassowary then incubates the eggs and sits on them for about 50 to 52 days. And during this period, he's so dedicated that he doesn't even feed himself. And after this, the male cassowary then raises the chicks until about 16 to 18 months, at which point they go off on their own. And during this whole time, the female cassowary has just ditched the male and gone to find some other mates. We're just heading for a walk to Mile Beach. Supposedly, if you keep walking down Mile Beach and you get down to Mile Creek, there's a pretty big croc just sitting on the bank there, so we're gonna go check that out now. So we got to the creek and didn't actually find a croc, but saw lots of signs warning about a recent crocodile spotting, so we thought we'd keep our distance, considering the riverbed was pretty shallow. We'll try somewhere else. We're just starting the Dubuji walk through the forest, which is a bit of a different landscape than our previous walks. This is right close to the beach, so it's got a bit of a mangrove feel to it. This place is called Dubuji, as I mentioned, which is named by the local indigenous tribe, which means place of spirits. For an exciting milestone now, we've actually reached the furthest point north on our trip. We've just got to Cape Tribulation Beach and we're just going to do the Kulki walk and lookout here. If you want to go any further north, you actually need a four-wheel drive, so I don't think my car will make it past this point. So from tomorrow we'll start heading back down south with a few exciting points en route back home. Alright guys, here we are, Cape Tribulation Beach. Now this is what we drove 1900 kilometers for. It's pretty magical here, and I'll tell you why. Now right behind me here we have the Daintree Rainforest, which, as I mentioned before, World Heritage Site dated to between 140 to 180 million years old, the oldest rainforest on Earth. And right by it is the ocean leading to the Great Barrier Reef, and if you take about a 20 to 25 minute boat ride just that way, you'll be at the Mackay Reef, which we were at yesterday. Pretty spectacular to being here where these two World Heritage sites are standing side by side. Pretty magical.